Hello YouTubers, hello and welcome back. This has just arrived through my door 30 seconds ago. This is the new panel for this wash machine. And what we're going to do is we're going to take this board out of here, since we now know that it is no good, and put that board in, and all we've got to do is connect it up and we see if we have a wash machine or not. If not, one's got a lot of egg on one's face, but I do believe in trying my best. I mean, what can you do when you can't afford a new wash machine? Obviously, if the time comes I need a new wash machine, then we have to go down that road, but I'm pretty certain that replacing this board will be all we need to do. Fingers crossed. In fact, all fingers and all toes crossed. By the way, the date today is Monday the 25th. Okay, this is the new board. But this is how I got it out of the box. Can you see this? It's already out of the housing. And these 2 points here are shiny. It's been repaired by the looks of it. So time for a phone call, I think. I don't know what to do. Give him a ring. Give him a ring before I plug it in. That's what we're going to do. We're going to ring them up and say, I think this is a second-hand board. Right, I've been on the phone to them, and they said that if it is faulty when you use it, they will refund me the part. Right, as you can see, this is how it came. Oh, and that there's broken there as well, look. Can you see that? The side of that socket's broken. Side of that socket's broken. So we've got side of that socket's broken. This has been in somewhere. I didn't spot that before the call. And we've got the resoldered there. It's a pot by the looks of it. If it's just hold on a minute, I just spotted something else. Right, it's 3-pin. It's not a new part. There's just been resoldered there, but this other top solder joint is original. But yeah, someone's been at this. Alright, okay, we'll plug this in and we'll keep our fingers crossed to see what happens. Next part of the video will be it working, hopefully. Right, that's the rest of our washing in, what we've used so far. We've got it more or less clicked in the best we can without actually putting the whole thing in. It's all plugged in. All we've got to do now is set these, because you don't know where they're set to. So let's go and do that now. Right, okay, let's find out what this is set to. Oh, I do hope this works. It's that way. I'll just put that one over there so I've got more hand space. That way. Right, stick it on to 1200. Let's find out what program it is. These only go on one way, by the way. Woolens. So we want it on 40 cotton. So let's go and plug the power on. Right, the power's on. Ready. Let's check these. That works. That works. That works. That works. Right, here's the proof in the pudding. Have you all got your fingers crossed? Well, that's looking promising. I put the soap powder in the actual drum itself. I know you've all seen a washing machine working before, but this is kind of a special moment for me. £105 for a new board. There you go, there's the proof. Works straight away. So all we've got to do now is go to the local shop somewhere and get some long, thick type cable ties. Well, in future, make sure that I don't have any coins or pens or any other thing in my pockets. I'll check it again. Because look what it's cost and the time and trouble it's taken to do to sort this thing out. Oh, I'm so pleased. This is fantastic. Really is. And this is the board. Just in case this video is picked up by the company I bought it from, there's the repair, which obviously hasn't worked. It's obviously this was knackered before I did the repair. Yeah, I reckon it's either one of those transistors or that chip there. You've got two transistors there, one there and there. Well, you can see them, can't you? You know what the parts are. You're all electronically clued up. Well, it's still going. It's still going. It's just about 1:30. It's just gone 1:30 UK time. Yeah, it's taking on more water. Alright, be back in a few minutes. Well, it's 40 minutes gone by and it's still going. Brilliant. It's now about yeah, it's about 7 or 8 minutes past 2. It's over half an hour ago and still going. Brilliant. I want to go out. I want to go and get some cable ties, but I'm not going to leave this. I want to see it run through a whole program with no issue. Some even better news, it's filling up again, which means it's pumped out. So I think we've got a 100% successful repair here. This is brilliant. See, it's filling up again. Oh. We're starting the rinse cycles now. Oh, this is a big worry off my mind, this. It really is. Well, we're on a spin cycle. looks like we're getting near the end of the washing. It's now about 10 minutes past 3. And we'll check that filter to see if anything else is falling in it as well while we're at it. In case I think it was dislodged when we had it upside down. Go. The relay's clicked over to open the door because that light there was light, and that's gone to this. Now you can get our washing out. So that's a full complete wash from beginning to end. So all you've got to do is hang it up to dry. Fixed. So what we're going to do now is to sort out the loose electrolytic capacitor with the mains going to it. I will remember to disconnect the mains this time so we don't get caught again. And put it back together and stick it back where it belongs. Right, hello there YouTubers. This is just a quick ending to this video. I had a successful wash out of it, as I've already filmed. It's now the 26th. I haven't done anything today. Didn't get any sleep last night whatsoever, and I've been to physio. Just to tell me what I already knew about the exercises. I was doing everything right. The only thing I was doing wrong was I wasn't doing enough. They want me to do it at least 4 times a day, so we'll do that. So the plan is, sometime, is see that electrolytic down there you've already seen. I'm going to drill 4 holes, and I'm going to use cable ties to tie it to the side of the case up on that white piece of spongy stuff. If they're not long enough, I'll put 2 together to make it long enough. And then we'll whatever, and I'm going to use some hot glue to act as a grommet, because I don't have any grommets, to stop the wash machine cutting into the side of the nylon tie. Alright, so that's it. Thanks for watching. Thanks for watching the other videos. Sorry that one of them was a bit long and the second one a bit shorter, but still too long. Sorry about that. One of you have already, you know, complained about how long it is. You know, I understand. You know, you don't like long videos. I don't like long videos, but so it's happened. There'll be no more parts on this wash machine. That's it. Okay. Thanks very much for watching. I'll post this, edit it, post it sometime tomorrow. It'll probably be released sometime on the 27th. Okay, see you later, take care, thanks very much. And just before you go, this is the film I'm going to be watching while I'm editing this video. It's called Elysium. Good film.
I get it, I know.